Hey everyone, this is my first tutorial and I'm gonna teach you how can you do that cool After Effects CC Jaws effect in CapCut also. Just follow me step by step. It's pretty easy now for you guys because I've already prepared this Jaws effect in After Effects. And you just have to do simply drag and drop. The link is in description, you can download the file easily. Drop it here, go to remove BG section, chroma key and set the intensity to 100. See, it's done. And you can adjust the speeds according to your need. Like this, you can make your customized graphs for speeds. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if that was helpful for you, don't forget to put a like and comment what tutorial you want next and share this video with your fellow CapCut editors also.